Hey guys, sometimes you need a little pair of pliers to work on like fishing reels or jewelry, other small components that require small pliers and small tools. And I didn't have any. So when the good folks over at ARROW offered me these mini pliers set to do a little box opening and an overview of it, I jumped on it. So we're going to get it opened up and see what you get here. It comes in a nice little carrying case. Very nice little case, really. Very well. Oh man, yeah, this is going to be perfect. Here was the case. Really nice case there. Little Velcro straps to hold them in place. Little pair of needle nose. It's got the little spring in there. That'd be really handy. A small pair of square nose pliers. Some cutters. All these do have a little spring in there to keep them open. Some short needle nose. Has a little cutter right there. Oh yeah, these would be good for working on jewelry and things that you can't quite go straight into. You need to go into the angle. I'm sure there's a lot more applications you can use those for, but just one of them I'm thinking of off the top of my head. And a small pair of wire cutters. Really nice. Definitely can use these. I have to make some adjustments on reels sometimes. Sometimes we have a little jewelry loop that needs to be squeezed closed and just different things like that. A lot of different things that you can use these for. Really nice case. If you have to work on your reels, you can go in there and get to it real easy. You need to take it apart and grease it and different things like that. If you are into working on firearms, it would make some nice tools for that too. I do that from time to time. I tell you what, if you are looking for a nice set of small pliers, this pretty much has everything covered that I can think of. It'll cover all my needs, that's for sure. Definitely a thumbs up. If you'd like to get some of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.